Hello and welcome to today's program with me, Sohail and Ali.
Hey everybody, you're most welcome here. Please stay with us to the end. This session we're gonna analyze more collocation, but this time let's check the word
Do.
So what is the first one?
Do your best.
For example, if you remember the beginning of this clip, we had a narrow escape. Sohail and I, we were about to burn. I was doing my best to unlock the door. Thank God I did it.
Yeah, thank God we survived, Ali.
Of course.
Do damage.
The fire did some damage to our office, so we need to do some redecoration or something like this.
Do experiment.
Scientists recently have been trying to do some experiment to see if sleeping pills are harmless or harmful.
Yeah. Do exercise.
I want you guys, dear guys, I want you to do some exercises practicing these new collocations tomorrow.
Yeah. And do someone a favor or a good turn.
Yep. So could you please do me a favor and pick me up a glass of water?
Yeah, for sure. Why not?
But
right now?
Okay, after this, we can see film.
Yeah, definitely.
Good. So please practice the first part of collocation we do. Now get ready, take note for the second part. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's start. The first collocation we can also say about do is do harm.
Oh. Changing the rules may do more harm than good.
Sometimes. It's not always like this. Next one is do your hair.
Oh, I'm not ready yet. I'm doing my hair.
It's okay now. You're
Ready?
Yes, great.
Okay.
Next collocation is do your homework.
My son has to do his homework straight after school.
Bravo, I love your son.
He is so self-disciplined.
And of course, he's a talented person.
Yes, like his father.
Yeah, exactly. So, and the next one is do your work.
I have to do my work first, and then we can go to the movies.
Good. The last one, do the shopping, washing, and ironing.
Oh, great. Ali, I'll do the washing if you do the shopping.
It's okay, deal.
Okay.
Good. Thank you for watching us, and don't forget to
like and share this video,
subscribe,
and turn on the notifications.
see you guys for next session.
Bye.
Bye.